In the wide blue sea, so deep and bright, lived Wendy Whale, shiny and white. She wiggled and whooshed through water so wide, with waves that whispered, "Come, let us glide." A wiggly worm waved from the shore. "Wendy, wait! Let's play some more." They whirled and whooped, making water spin, laughing loud with wind and fin. A wooden boat went sailing by. "Wow," said Wendy, "let's say hi." The wind blew wild, the waves went high, but Wendy Whale sang, "Don't be shy." When warm sun set and waters turned gold, Wendy whispered, "What a day to behold." And now, my friends, as we say yay, we have learned the letter W today.